Imagine the absolute crunchiest, sweetest peas you've ever tasted. We're talking about vibrant green pods so fresh they snap with a satisfying crackle, bursting with flavor. Now, picture harvesting them right from your own backyard, balcony, or patio. Even if you think you have a black thumb and have never successfully grown anything before in your life, it's not just possible, it's surprisingly simple. In this video, I'm not just giving you tips, I'm revealing the single most important zero-fail secret that practically guarantees you'll be harvesting baskets of these juicy peas in as little as 60 days. This one principle is the foundation for an incredible harvest, and we're going to build your entire success plan around it. So don't go anywhere, because by the end of this guide, you'll have the complete step-by-step blueprint. We'll cover everything from picking the perfect pea variety for your taste, whether you love snappy, sweet, or snow peas, to the exact soil recipe for happy roots. Plus, I've got a game-changing winter hack most gardeners completely overlook. Ready to get started? Your pea growing game is about to change forever. But hold on, because picking the wrong pea variety for your garden can be a recipe for disappointment. It's the single biggest decision you'll make. In the next minute, I'm going to break down the 3 main types of peas, explain exactly how they taste and feel, and reveal which specific cultivar can literally double your harvest with 0 extra effort. This is a game changer. First up, you have shelling peas, also known as English peas. These are your classic garden peas. The pods themselves are tough and fibrous, so you don't eat them. But inside, that's where you find those perfectly round, incredibly sweet jewels. They burst in your mouth with that quintessential fresh pea flavor, perfect for soups, stews, or just eating by the handful. Next are snap peas, the brilliant hybrid you eat pod and all. They have a thick, crunchy, and juicy pod that makes it incredibly satisfying when you bite into it. Inside, the peas are just as sweet as shelling peas. This dual texture makes them the ultimate garden snack, fantastic for dipping or adding a sweet crunch to salads. And finally, we have snow peas. Unlike the others, these are harvested super young, so the pods are flat and the peas inside are tiny. The whole pod is tender crisp and has a delicate, mild sweetness. They cook in seconds, making them the star of any stir-fry or steamed dish. For a fantastic disease-resistant variety, look for Oregon Giant. But if you're just starting out or can only plant one, make it Sugar Snap. It's a snap pea variety that is incredibly forgiving, disease-resistant, and pumps out massive continuous yields. It's the secret to a truly effortless and abundant harvest. Timing is make or break for peas. Stick around the next half minute to learn the simple calendar trick that beats heat and gives you 2 full harvests a year. Peas are cool season champs. Plant as soon as soil can be worked in early spring. They germinate at 40 degrees Fahrenheit plus. They hate summer heat over 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can also seed a second crop in late summer for fall picking. Heavy or poor soil, no problem. In the next 30 seconds, you'll see the easy mix that turns any dirt pea perfect, and it adds free natural fertilizer for life. Aim for well-drained soil, pH 6.0 to 7.5. Work in plenty of compost or aged manure. Skip high nitrogen fertilizer. Peas are legumes and make their own nitrogen. Ready to plant? Don't go anywhere. The next half minute drops the trellis secret that makes vines climb like crazy and can boost your yield by 50% or more. Sow seeds 1 inch deep, 1 to 2 inches apart, rows 18 to 24 inches wide. Put your support, trellis, netting, or stakes in at planting time for vining types. They grow 4 to 6 feet tall. Dwarf bush varieties need almost no support. Over or underwatering kills more peas than anything. In the next 30 seconds, uncover the moisture rule that keeps plants thriving without root rot. Keep soil evenly moist, about 1 inch of water per week, especially during germination and flowering. Mulch with straw or compost to hold moisture, block weeds, and keep roots cool. Pests showing up? Hang on for the next half minute. I'll share a cheap natural fix that stops them fast without spraying chemicals everywhere. Common issues are powdery mildew, choose resistant varieties, good spacing, and slugs, beer traps, or diatomaceous earth. Pea moths? Floating row covers early in the season work great. Overall, peas are low drama. Harvest at the wrong time and they turn starchy fast. In the next 30 seconds, learn exactly when to pick each type for peak sweetness and crunch. Pick every 1 to 2 days. Snow peas when pods are flat and peas tiny. Snap peas when plump but crisp. Shelling when peas inside are round and bright. Morning harvest and best flavor. Keep picking to keep them producing. No big garden space? Stay tuned. The next half-minute reveals container tricks that let you grow buckets of peas even on a balcony or patio. Dwarf varieties thrive in large pots with trellises. Blanch and freeze extras for winter. After harvest, chop plants and leave roots. They naturally fertilize the soil for your next crop. And there you have it. That's the complete roadmap to your best pea harvest ever. Let's quickly recap your 5-step action plan. First, choose your champion, a shelling, snap, or snow pea that suits your climate and your taste buds. Second, prep your soil with plenty of rich compost to give them the fuel they need. Third, plant your seeds at the right depth and give them a sturdy trellis to climb high. Fourth, keep them consistently watered and mulched to beat the heat. And finally, fifth, harvest regularly to encourage more pods and enjoy those sweet, crisp rewards. I truly hope this guide has you feeling inspired and ready to get your hands dirty. If you're excited to grow peas this year, show some love and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. I'd love to hear from you, so drop a comment below with your growing zone and the pea variety you're planting. And to make sure you don't miss out on more garden-to-table guides, hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. Coming up next, I'm revealing all my secrets in a foolproof tomato guide built for hot summers. You won't want to miss it. Thank you so much for watching. Now go grow something amazing.